Hello there everyone, today I'm going to show you how to exchange your currency on Revolut. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you are new to Revolut, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below. Once you click on it, you'll be invited to create a Revolut account with benefits and extra bonuses from our offer. So as you can see, currently right now I'm on my main Revolut account, and this currency is set to HUF or Hungarian forints. But if I would like to exchange it to any other currency, simply click on accounts, and then from here, as you can see, you have multiple options. And so if you don't have those other accounts, you can click on add new. And as you can see, there are multiple options from here in the personal, joint, professional, and kids. But for you, you're probably going to just use personal currency account. And then from here, as you can see, there are many other currencies that you can choose from. So for example, I would like to choose Hong Kong dollar. And then from here, now I have it in my account. Now all I have to do is go back to my original account that has the money, click on move, and then from here you're going to select this arrow, and then you're going to select for any other currency. So if I choose this one, and then for example I would like to add 5,000, it will turn it and it will tell me how many fees it will take and orders and everything. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.